What do? You push his foot? Caitlin, push his foot. That's it. That's it. Oh, are you tired, Noah? Or are you getting dizzy? Good job! Yay! Movie. You want to do it again? Do it again, dance. Okay, well hit the foot. Put him down. Let's see you move your ears, Noah. That's it. You move your ears like the bunny? Is it just easier to go in circles? Alright, say bye-bye, bunny.
Bye, bunny.
Bye.